Ever found yourself daydreaming about solo adventures in the heart of Europe? Picture this. You're sipping a creamy cappuccino in a quaint Italian cafe, or perhaps you're standing in awe of the grandeur of a French chateau, with no one but yourself to marvel at the moment. That's the beauty of solo travel. It's an adventure that's uniquely yours. The allure of solo travel lies in the freedom it gives you. It's about choosing your own path, making your own decisions, and experiencing the world at your own pace. It's about self-discovery, stepping out of your comfort zone, and expanding your horizons. It's about those unexpected encounters with locals, those impromptu detours, and those quiet moments of reflection. It's about embracing the unknown and coming back with stories that are truly yours. Sounds intriguing, doesn't it? Well, if you're considering or planning your solo adventure, you're in the right place. But before we go on with the video, if you'd like to know more about our tips, then hit the like and subscribe button so you don't miss out. Safety can be a concern when traveling alone, especially in a foreign country, but don't let that dampen your wanderlust. With a dash of caution and a sprinkle of savvy, you can navigate Europe like a pro. First things first, research is your best friend. Spend time learning about your destinations before you set foot on the plane. What's the local culture like? What are the safe and not so safe areas? Is there a language barrier? Are there any specific local laws or customs you should be aware of? The more you know, the better prepared you'll be. Next, keep your senses sharpened and stay aware of your surroundings. It's easy to get lost in the beauty of Europe's stunning landscapes, historic architecture, or bustling city life. But remember, you're not just a tourist, you're a solo traveler. You need to stay alert, especially in crowded places or when it's dark. Now let's talk about emergency contact information. It's always wise to have a list of essential numbers handy. This includes the local police, ambulance, and your country's embassy. Also, let someone back home know about your travel itinerary. It's a good safety net to have someone aware of your whereabouts. And finally, respect. Respect for local laws and customs is not just a safety tip, it's a matter of basic courtesy. As the saying goes, when in Rome, do as the Romans do. This will not only keep you safe, it will also enrich your travel experience. Sure, this might sound like a lot, but it's really not. Think of it like packing for your trip. You wouldn't leave without your essentials, right? Well, these safety tips are just as crucial. They're the invisible items in your luggage that ensure you have a great trip and return home with nothing but wonderful memories. Remember, being cautious doesn't mean you can't have fun. It's about enjoying your journey with peace of mind. One key aspect of solo travel is budgeting. It can make or break your experience. Now let's dive into the nuts and bolts of how to budget effectively for your solo adventure in Europe. First, accommodation. Hostels are an affordable option, with the added bonus of meeting other solo travelers. But if you crave a bit more privacy, consider serviced apartments or budget hotels. Booking in advance often yields better deals, but don't shy away from last-minute bookings either, as they can sometimes offer surprising discounts. Food is another crucial item on your budget. Rather than dining at high-end restaurants every day, try eating at local markets. Not only will you save money, but you'll also get a taste of authentic local cuisine. For breakfast, take advantage of complimentary offerings at your accommodation. Pack a snack for your explorations, and you're good to go. Transportation can be a significant part of your budget, but there are ways around it. Public transportation in Europe is often reliable and inexpensive. Buses, trams, and trains can get you where you need to go without breaking the bank. If you're traveling between cities or even countries, consider overnight trains or budget airlines. Remember, it's not just about the destination, it's also about the journey. For entertainment, look for free or low-cost events in the city you're visiting. Many museums and attractions have discounted or even free entry on certain days. Street performances, local festivals, and public parks offer entertainment without costing a dime. Budgeting apps can be a lifesaver when traveling solo. They help you track your expenses in real time, and some even offer tips on where to find the best local deals. Remember, budgeting doesn't mean compromising your experience. It's about making smart choices that allow you to enjoy your journey without worrying about your wallet. It's about immersing yourself in the local culture, meeting new people, and creating memories that will last a lifetime. With a little planning, you can make your money go a long way and still have an unforgettable experience. Experiencing different cultures is one of the most enriching parts of traveling. As solo travelers, we have the unique opportunity to delve deep into the heart of the cultures we encounter. It's about more than just ticking off destinations from a list. It's about immersing ourselves in the rhythm, taste, sounds, and spirit of the places we visit. Consider this. Every town, every city, every country in Europe has a unique story woven into its cultural fabric. And when we take the time to research and understand these local customs and traditions, we're not just broadening our horizons, we're also showing respect to the places we're privileged to visit. Let's talk language. It's not about becoming fluent overnight, but learning a few local phrases can go a long way. A simple bonjour in France, a gracias in Spain, or a danke in Germany can break down barriers and open doors to more authentic experiences. You'd be amazed at the warmth and hospitality a few local words can unlock. Food, oh glorious food. Trying traditional cuisines is another delightful way to embrace cultural nuances. Whether it's savoring a crispy croissant in a quaint Parisian cafe, enjoying a hearty bowl of pasta in Italy, or indulging in a plate of tapas in Spain, food is a universal language that tells the story of a place and its people. And then there are the festivals. Participating in local festivals is like stepping into a vibrant living tapestry of tradition and celebration. From the lively Oktoberfest in Germany to the enchanting Fête de la Musique in France, these events bring us closer to the heart of the culture, making us feel a part of something bigger. Immersing yourself in the local culture not only enhances your travel experience but also helps build meaningful connections. So let's step out of our comfort zones. Let's be curious, let's be respectful, and let's fully embrace the beautiful nuances of the cultures we encounter on our solo travels. Europe is a treasure trove of destinations, each with its unique charm. And for the solo traveler, this continent offers a smorgasbord of experiences waiting to be savored. Imagine strolling down the romantic streets of Paris. The City of Light, as it's fondly called, is a love affair with art, fashion, and gastronomy. You could lose yourself in the Louvre, marvel at the architectural wonder of Notre Dame, or simply sit at a quaint cafe and watch the world go by. Then there's Rome, a city where history comes alive. Here you can step into the world of gladiators at the Colosseum, make a wish at the Trevi Fountain, or marvel at the breathtaking beauty of the Sistine Chapel. Rome is like an open-air museum, a testament to the grandeur of a bygone era. If you're more of a night owl, Berlin is the place to be. Known for its vibrant nightlife, this city never sleeps. Dance the night away in world-renowned techno clubs, or enjoy a quiet evening at a cozy jazz bar. Berlin's cultural diversity is reflected in its eclectic food scene, so make sure to try some currywurst or doner kebab while you're there. But if you're seeking serenity, nothing beats the Scottish Highlands. Picture yourself hiking through lush green landscapes dotted with ancient castles and serene lochs. Listen to the whispering wind, the rustling leaves, and the distant sound of bagpipes. It's a place where you can truly disconnect and find peace. And these are just a few of the countless destinations Europe has to offer. From the sun-soaked beaches of Greece to the tulip fields of the Netherlands, there are endless possibilities for the solo traveler. Remember, the beauty of solo travel is in its freedom. You have the luxury to explore at your own pace, to follow your interests, to meet new people, and to create your own unique journey. So, go ahead, pack your bags, and let the allure of Europe draw you into an unforgettable adventure. These are just a glimpse of what Europe has to offer. The beauty of solo travel is that you can create your own unique journey. So there you have it, a beginner's guide to solo travel in Europe. We've covered everything from prioritizing your safety to budgeting your journey. We've delved into the importance of embracing cultural nuances and highlighted some must-visit destinations. Each of these elements plays a vital role in ensuring your solo adventure is as enriching and enjoyable as possible. But remember, the beauty of solo travel lies in its flexibility and the freedom it offers you. So while these tips provide a solid foundation, don't forget to make the journey your own. Add your personal touch, follow your curiosity, and embrace the unexpected. Before you go, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more solo travel tips. Share your experiences or questions in the comments below. Safe travels, and remember, adventure awaits. Your solo journey is not just a trip, it's a voyage of self-discovery and an opportunity to create lifelong memories. Enjoy every moment.